removable covering. The intellectual property protection of removable covering has been in place since 2017. It has a variety of designs, which can be applied to base-plated spigots, quadro spigots, and glass posts. There is also have designs that can be directly covered on the original covering, made of marine-grade 316 stainless steel. Compared with the traditional one-piece covering that has been used for many years, a little improvement will bring great changes to installation method and save a lot of time. Spigots with one-piece covering, we usually install spigot first. After install the glass, check whether it is upright. Covering will cause insufficient operating space and need to remove the glass if we need further adjustment. Using the removable covering, the installation sequences can be completely changed. We can fix the spigots to the glass first, and following by placing and leveling the glass to ensure its vertical and height position. Next, we can use or adjustable spigots that introduced earlier. It will be very easy to offset and level the ground. Now, you can secure the spigots directly to ground without removing the glass. It's more like how we install quadro spigots. The glass would be now completely straight after installation. Finally, cover with removable covering and the job is done. The removable covering is patent protected since 2017. It's designed to make project installation faster and easier. By changing the traditional installation sequence, save hours of installation time and labor cost.